Yo! Starting off with earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is technically a stack, but it's going to the same person, so they probably just messed up their order the first time around. This is a Subway going 7 miles, 7.5 miles.
Yeah, I saw that too. It's like they're like right next to each other.
Thank you. Total for that one was $16 and change. Tip was pretty decent actually. Could have been a lot worse with that mileage. And speaking of mileage, as if that one didn't take me far enough out of my zone, this next one is probably really bad. This is a Starbucks going 6.5 miles further away from where I want to be. Thank you. Total for that order was $8, which is a lot better than what I was expecting, but I still am really far away from where I want to be right now. There are no good orders in this area, and if I do take any, they're just gonna trap me in here, and I don't want that. Okay, good news and bad news. I didn't have to take any orders that kept me in that little bubble of sorrow, but I also didn't take any orders, so I haven't been making any money on the way back. Got the next order. This is a Black Rock coffee going 4 miles. Only one drink. This one has got to be a no tip. Yeah, that's a no tip. Total for that one is $4. So bad. Next order up is a Wendy's. This one is $7 going 4.5 miles.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. What can I have for you?
No. Let me get the treat, okay?
Thank you.
Have a good
Was
day.
the straw in the bag?
Yes, in the
Okay,
back.
thank you. Well, that took a while. Kind of feel bad for the car that was sitting there before I even arrived, but sucks for you. Got my stuff. Let's get out of here. Got this order right away. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10 going 2 miles, 6 items. I'll be right there. Next order up is another shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $7 going 4 miles, only one item. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Black Rock coffee, $9 going 4 miles. On this one? Got this one as I was dropping off. This is a Starbucks, $7 going 3 miles, and just got an add-on. This is McDonald's, $5 going 2 miles. So what is that? 12 for 5? Something like that.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
got this one right away, going back to McDonald's. This one is going 3 miles.
Hey, that's it.
Yeah, I've delivered there before. That's a no tip. Total for that order was $4. Garbage. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $11, going 4 miles, 7 items. Orders stopped coming in, so I decided to come home. I forgot to film an outro. I got distracted. Hi. Current time is 9:49. Current total, we are at, what is that? 30 plus, give me 1 second. 30 plus 50, oh hi. We're at 86, and I think I'm waiting on Uber tips. Oh my goodness, hi. Pack it up, little bro. Moi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh. She's rushing me because she knows she's going to get a treat in a second. I don't think I ever told you guys their names. Get over here. Come on. Come up. Come say hi. Come say hi. We've got Jazz, the stinky boy. And then we got Sadie, the yapper of the house. Anyways, they're gonna start yelling at me, so I'm gonna go. Say goodbye. Bye.